Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So today is my birthday. Ooh, cheers to 27. I'm not drink nothing now. I'm not drink alcohol again, guys. I'm not drink nothing with alcohol in night again, but cheers to 27. Me and Jason just come off of the road. I went and got my makeup done professionally by Face Kingdom. She's so good. I love it. Me eat off the lip gloss because I do it from morning and I do it up on the road and I eat, but when I go back out later, I'll put some on it. So for today we just go dinner and eat and come back in. We do all of the little fun activity on Jason's birthday and that is enough. So yeah, I did some carry my camera and vlog phone and show them the whole process. But I left my camera this morning. By the time I remember, I say, you know what? I'm not turn back, but this is it. It was so cute with the lip gloss, but I have one lip gloss similar to what she did put on it, so later I'll just add it and I know you see it, but this is it. Yeah, I like it. I'm the little lashes, nothing too crazy, just a little something. So yeah, I'm home. I'm not doing nothing, so I just cut off the camera now, and later when I leave out, I'm going to do get ready with me. Thank you guys in advance for the birthday wishes. Really appreciate every single one of them. Right now my phone will blow up, so I just sit down and see if I can go through and just tell everybody thank you before it gets really enough.
Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah?
So tell them how you feel about my makeup.
It fits you. You look good in it. You should do it more often.
Come to think of it, how much birthday you want to spend with me? Who remember how much birthday? Alright. Last year, this year, last year, year before. A 5 birthday you spend with me? Or 4? For the real OG them, comment in the comment section how much birthday you want to spend with me. I think a 5 or 4. But yeah, chapter 27 unlocked. I am grateful, I am happy. And yeah, I'm really just grateful, to be honest. I'm 27 now, I'm a big woman, I remember I did always say, oh, when I'm 25, I go on a vehicle, I'm get married, I'm gonna have my kids them. Where? But I'm back. And we are going to get ready for my birthday dinner. Ooh! Is it me, or when makeup starts to get stale, it just have a cute little look? Because I love it now, and I put on back some lip gloss. So this is it. I look like one nice little dark chocolate girly man. So I'm showing the outfit for tonight. I start to sweat. And the place is so cool. Anyways, this is the dress. And I have to really wait until I put it on to see the beauty. So the aim for tonight is to look cute and girly. So I could see if we can pull that off. I love it. It's not even a dress, it's a romper. Anyways, could put on some body spray. So this is the body spray what I use. The name rub off. But if you don't know the bottle, you don't know say this smell really nice. I go wear my ear up because the back of my dress open. And I want to show that little style there. But I can put it on. I step out. Hey, me I enjoy them get ready with me here, Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. One other guys. For the people them who always say, Andrew, you love t-shirts, so I know when I enjoy that get ready here with me. Wait there guys. Alright, me need some help. Jason have to go come zip me up. So this is what it's gonna look like, but Jason have to zip me up first, and then when you can see the real beauty. I'm gonna pause to get ready with me until Jason come to zip me up, cause the dress now gonna look like it fit me well until Jason zip it up. So this part I'm gonna tuck it underneath the bra. So this is how up here so gonna look like. I'm gonna fix the breast them good, cause yeah. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, I love this. So when Jason comes zip me up on a seat, so you need to hook it first.
Look at this.
I think two something there for hook. Ah, there guys.
So, oh, come here, so this one could be in it now.
Hey guys, if you don't hear the fan, I'm really sorry. I have to turn on the fan. The part here of the video is gonna be really loud. So I apologize from now. No, you're not gonna wear so easy. Hold on there guys.
Okay.
You want light?
No, let's see.
Oh.
Let me put my finger in and put my finger in.
Alright. And I think one down at the waist for hook as well. So I'm going. Yeah.
You see you dance when you do so?
Yeah. Good. Alright guys, so one something secure, but you see the zipper come on this? I don't like it. I always afraid of zip like that. Because it's easy to spoil. Really, yeah. So I'm gonna see what I do. Oh, you know what I never take into consideration? I wonder if my bra show up. Is it babe?
It's not going through.
No, me never, not the zip, the bra.
It's there.
It's a show? Pull it down.
Pull it on.
The bra, me don't want it fit. Wait, I'm gonna put it in my hand. Wait, give me some hand here. Wait there guys, my bra no fit a show. That's not a part of it.
Yeah, but if it stays up.
You can't see it. I saw it. What's it guys? Oh, so cute. Me don't know how I'm always lucky for find them little classic clothes here. I always hear plus size people are complain so them can't find clothes. But when me scroll and look, I always find something. And I love it. Hoop earring. Alright, what we can work with. I love these. These are classy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna work with these. I'm so sure now. Hold on. And as me say, so sorry for the fan breeze in the background. Me really oh, these are cute. Love them. I think me this one TikTok video where them say the plastic part there on the earring, you must take it off. I like this one. Okay. What we are gonna do now? So the earring them good guys? Talk to me now. I'm going to my mother's ear now. Spray put something in my back. Ooh, nice. Love it. What something I gonna spray on so? Alright, what am I gonna do now for bracelet? I want one classy little bracelet. Nothing too, I know. Can't do this. I like this. This is cute and classy. I like that guys. Why it said so? Yeah, this is nice. No. Hey, yes, girl. I mean that, you know. I need this. I like this. Ooh. This is cute. We're the mid ring. Alright, I'm gonna do it here first. The hairstyle, I'm gonna do a bun because the back of my dress. So this is how it would have look if I let it down. But I don't want a down hairstyle because it's a hide the style of the dress at the back. But this look cute though. No man. This look really nice. Hey, so guys, the breast part unbugged me. Plus them not stiff, so just a work with them. Okay. No, but when it done, it looks so nice. Why it looks so good? Alright guys, so we do the baby ear. I make that one dry. We're gonna wear about the mid-ring here because it's cute. Oh, put some oil up here so it don't look too dry. So what I'm gonna do is just tuck this part underneath the bra so the bra will show, and this is it. This is how it's looking when the ear hang down. This is the second time I wear the bag here. But me I wonder if the bag, I mean it's the same purple. I don't know it. Probably should have one solid black bag, but I want something, although the dress fussy. Alright, we're gonna look at a necklace. I'll look at a necklace, hold on. Can't focus on so much things one time. Alright, necklace. Watch out, you know something else, the earring here? Should I wear the earring here or hang down? Wanna say guys? Wear this and then no. I could see which one look better. Babe, come here. Which one look better guys? Which one of them here look better? This one or this one?
Next one.
This one?
Yeah.
Now wear that one here then. Which one honestly guys? But why me only see one? That's a problem with me now, no. Everlasting things then. Oh my thanks. Guys. So I wanna vote these or let me see. Oh my god, this is what I'm wearing. Oh, I love this. This nice. Hold on there guys. What? Wait there guys. See me find the winner. Oh, yep. Check out this. I love this one. Yep. Yep. Yeah. I ate my like put on some more lip gloss. The lip combo that she gave to me was really cute. But because the makeup did from morning, I eat it off. But that was perfect. But you really like that. Wait there guys, I could see. One more try. Ooh. I want to put only one. Hold on. So there's a curly one in there. We need one more. But this is too long. But I bring it around a little bit and then left it right here. Another bag. So I'm gonna use the bag here. I think I like it. It matches the color on the dress. So my charger, toothpick, because sometimes I go to restaurants and them not have no toothpick on the table, and gum. You know how long really want bubble gum? Oh, wait one now. Put it here. Alright. I think that's it. That is it. Me look grown. Me look like 27. When you talk to me. Alright. Time early. 6:56. I'm sure now. Now it's time to leave. I want it to look well glassy. Alright, beautiful people. This is me. Thanks in advance for the birthday wishes. Really and truly appreciate it. Don't get a little commotion for the back of the dress and the front. And when we reach our destination, we see all of me because I the tripod on me alone. So see you guys when we are at the destination. Hey guys, so I know I'm probably a little bit disappointed but the voiceover. I am disappointed as well. I never did a plan for doing a voiceover because I just love how the video did a flow. Anyways, when we got to the plaza, music did a play. I don't know the whole music thing go. But we went to a new restaurant in Portmore. And this is the plaza. It's on a Hongway Mall. It's so beautiful, guys. So that's me walking up the stairs. Yeah, she's thick. That's the name of the restaurant. So you guys can check them out. Really nice restaurant. The food, chef's kiss, really good. So that's me. Just going there. As me reach, me did have to turn off the camera because in there did full. And a whole heap of people did in there celebrate them birthday. Me never know say so much people born February 10. If y'all watch this and you're born February 10, happy belated birthday. My birthday twin. But this is it. Love how in there look. Love the ambience. Me did love the greenery with the white and the black. Really classy and nice. I was just showing you guys the menu. So I had to scan the barcode to place our orders. Love that. Love the idea there. So them literally come and you see it for deliver or serve rather whatever you order. Right here, so never did a focus good, but me just showing how the website looks. So when you scan the barcode, it takes you to this website and the website works really well. So me did love that. So me did just there, so I looked through the menu to see what I want to eat. I would say they don't have a lot of stuff on the menu. Well, they did not have a lot of stuff on the menu that night. I don't know if because it was after 9 and the kitchen would have probably closed soon. The restaurant closed 11, so it was by probably 10 o'clock. The kitchen would have closed off. I said that. I'm just saying that. But I didn't see a lot of stuff on the menu, so I'm not sure if it wasn't available at the time or that's the regular menu. I cannot speak on that. I don't know. So the stuff that mom would usually want when I go to restaurant, I never did really see that. Well, I did see pasta, some different type of pasta, but I never did want a pasta. But I just never did see the regular. It's okay. It's good for change up what you eat sometime. Anyways, a lady came over and she just did tell me how to use the website to place the order and stuff like that. So she just did come to ensure that everything did go good. Love that. I did order one strawberry daiquiri, I think. Every time I go somewhere, I always take one strawberry daiquiri. Strawberry daiquiri must be the national what? The national drink? Would you call it a drink? What is a daiquiri? Is that the national something? Because I don't know, people always take strawberry daiquiri, including me. I love me a good strawberry daiquiri. And I love mango daiquiri as well. But I love strawberry more. I did just show Jason the app to make him help me. Because at one point, I did put the stuff them 2 times. So I'm just did take out something for me. I guess I did double click it. But it never hard for use. And I love that. Other restaurant do it. And the restaurant them will do it. That's a good idea. That's a genius idea. You know, instead of the person, we call them the waiter, the waitress, come over, take your order, you just order it and them just come serve it. I did love that. Anyways, I never want to turn the camera in nobody's face. See my strawberry daiquiri there. Guys, you see that strawberry daiquiri? It was so good. 10 out of 10. Jason took some soup, you know, just to warm up his stomach until him get him food. And the soup was really nice. It was thick and nice. But yeah, what did I say? I never did want to turn the camera on nobody's face. Somebody just have it each up in the corner with me and Jason. I probably need to crop out the man there some more. Well, I not see. Well, I might crop him out some more. But yeah, the staff friendly. See me did a show on the thing there all set. So when you add the stuff them to your cart and then you check out and you see your total. I did love that. Guys, so for the people them who always got a restaurant and then I worry about what them bill are gonna look like, you can see a bill before it come. Anyways, that's the food. Guys, will never take long to get the food. Love that. That is a 10 out of 10 for me. And the food was hot. Not warm, it was hot. I did love that. I think Jason did end up get my food and I get his food. So we're going to switch further down in the video. You know, we see that. But Jason took some wedge and some fries on the side because whenever did I see with regular sides like rice and stuff like that. I think them did have basmati rice with callaloo in it, but we never want no more callaloo because the chicken is stuffed chicken with callaloo and some heavy cream something. So we never want no more callaloo. Plus callaloo on my belly really work together. Surprisingly, nothing ever do me do after me eat this, but this is it. So I'm gonna exchange the food. So it's stuffed chicken with callaloo and something with the callaloo. I never did really love. Did that throw me off? I never because I love nothing mixed up in my vegetables. But it tastes like heavy cream or something. So it was nice, but not really my style of eating. Like the middle part of the chicken, me I talk. So yeah. So we exchange plate now because he had mine. See that little fancy something, don't want to call that. That Dorito looking something with the oil them. Me never trouble eating on it. Did look, I think it's edible. It have to be edible because it's in your food, but me never bother fast with it. I guess I have to add some razzle dazzle to the plate. But yeah, it was really nice. The only thing is that the music that I play, and you know me is a content creator, but me can't say nothing because music have to play for make the people them all have vibes and not everybody do YouTube or do content creating. And the music did add a nice little, you know, vibe to the restaurant. So this one little sneak peek there, as I said, I never want to show nobody. Everybody back did turn. Me did I try catch you know somewhere for sure no wagwan. Anyways, them carry out my birthday cake. Guys, about 10 birthday cake. Them carry out that one night there. Everybody birthday. So them did I play a year night, one more year. That them did I play for me. Yes. I felt so pretty. I felt nice. I felt like 27. And it's a happy birthday. Yeah, that's me. Just I go feed with the cake now. And the cake did taste fresh and nice. So that is a bonus. Very nice restaurant. Trust me, guys.